You know that humble, glossy purple eggplant you always see in the grocery store? Well, turns out it's hiding some pretty incredible secrets. So today, let's dive in and uncover the science packed inside this common everyday kitchen staple.
Okay, so first things first, let's settle a classic debate, right? We all cook with it like it's a vegetable, but botanically speaking, what is it really?
And if you guessed fruit, you are absolutely right. Just like a tomato, it actually grows from a flowering plant and has seeds. And you know, this perfectly illustrates our whole point here today. What we think we know about the eggplant, well, that's just scratching the surface.
So, to really get what makes the eggplant so special, we've got to start with the most obvious thing about it, that incredible, deep purple color. And trust me, it's not just for show. That color is a huge clue that there's something really powerful going on inside.
But before we get any further, let's do a super quick refresh on what antioxidants are. Just think of them as like your body's personal security guards. They go around protecting your cells from all the damage caused by these pesky little molecules called free radicals.
Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. That deep purple color, it comes from a very specific type of antioxidant called anthocyanins. I know, it's a mouthful, but the idea is super simple. The color itself is the signpost pointing you right to the health benefits.
So from now on, whenever you see that beautiful jewel-toned skin, I want you to remember you're literally looking at a food that is packed with these amazing protective compounds. It's like a visual promise of all the good stuff hidden inside.
And this brings us to a really crucial point. Whatever you do, don't peel your eggplant. The research on this is totally clear. That beautiful skin is where you'll find the highest concentration of these amazing pigments. If you peel it, you're basically throwing away some of its most powerful secrets.
All right, let's build on that because this gets even more interesting. Among all those anthocyanins we just talked about, the ones in the peel, there's one that really deserves its own spotlight. Why? Because of its incredible effects on our most important organ, the brain. And its name is niacin.
Okay, so here's the deal. Your brain cells are protected by these membranes that are made mostly of fats or lipids. Niacin is this total powerhouse of an antioxidant that specializes in protecting these super delicate membranes from getting damaged. It's literally acting like a personal bodyguard for your brain cells. And look, the difference between the skin and the flesh is huge. Yeah, the flesh has great stuff like fiber and minerals, but that very specific brain-protecting power, that's almost all concentrated right there in the skin, and it's all thanks to niacin. And honestly, its resume is pretty impressive. It's not just about protecting cell membranes. Studies show niacin also helps clear out excess iron from the body, which can be pretty toxic to our cells. Plus, it helps messages jump between our brain cells more easily, which could potentially preserve and even boost our memory. But wait, because the secrets do not stop at the skin. Oh no. Scientists are now looking even deeper inside the eggplant, and they're finding compounds with some, frankly, astonishing potential, at least in laboratory settings.
So now we're kind of shifting gears from just general nutrition into the world of really targeted bioscience. What researchers are doing is creating these super potent extracts, especially from the seeds of certain eggplant types, so they can isolate these compounds and really test what they can do.
And this brings us to a group of compounds with another one of those super long names, solosodinine rhamnosyl glycosides. Let's just call them SRGs. Now, in simple terms, these are compounds that are found in eggplant, and in lab studies they've actually shown the ability to trigger the death of harmful cells.
And listen, this isn't just some theory. A very recent study, published in the journal Food Bioscience, actually put an eggplant seed extract to the test. They used an in vivo model for colon cancer, and the results, well, they were pretty remarkable. Just look at that number, a 62.5% reduction in polyps. Now, let's be clear, this is still early research, and we need a lot more of it. But wow, it really points to the incredible untapped potential that's just been hiding inside this fruit all along.
Okay, so let's recap. We've got brain protection in the skin. We've got these cutting-edge compounds being studied in the seeds. Now let's bring it all back down to earth, back to the kitchen, and look at the whole package.
Because beyond those two star compounds we've been talking about, eggplant is just a fantastic nutritional all-star. It's super high in fiber, which is great for feeling full and for controlling blood sugar. It's also packed with nutrients that support heart health, which just makes it an awesome addition to pretty much any balanced diet.
And here's the best part. You get all of this for barely any calories. We're talking only about 26 calories for 100 grams. For that, you get fiber, potassium, and a ton of other micronutrients. It is the perfect example of what we call a nutrient-dense food.
So the big question is, how do you get the most out of it? Well, the key really is how you cook it. Things like baking, roasting, or grilling are fantastic because they help preserve those delicate antioxidants, especially the niacin. Frying at super high temperatures, on the other hand, that can actually destroy them. So that's something you probably want to avoid. So the story of the eggplant is pretty amazing, isn't it? From finding out it's actually a fruit, to the brain-protecting power in its skin, and even the potential disease-fighting compounds in its seeds, it's just the perfect reminder that incredible health benefits can be hiding in the most familiar, everyday foods. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other secrets are just waiting for us in the produce aisle?